Tell me when to say love me, Jojo.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi everyone, we're just currently in the airplane going to Auckland from Brisbane.
Kia ora koutou and good evening.
Me in and out, I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you.
LA vlogs. We're currently in Auckland now on our last leg to the beautiful
We
Rarotonga.
have a 5-hour delay.
Just nothing much, just a 5-hour delay.
5 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah.
You know,
And that's not even including like
if I get to Raro and my bag's damaged, I know they were actually dusted.
yeah.
Hi, charity subscribers. Why do I look like? Ew, look at my pimple. I don't trust charity with this content.
Raja, how are you feeling? You ready to drum your life away?
Yep, just can't wait to jump.
Yeah. Because he's gonna take you guys on a little tour. He's gonna have to look out for people with posters of his name. Yeah, Elijah is our other reason why we're coming to Raro, so we can watch him. And then there's Uncle. Uncle's there. There's the master drummer over there, and his apprentice, who will soon to be the future master. Yeah, so we're on our way to Rarotonga for the last leg. Yeah. Oh, thanks, sis.
My home island.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, we made it. Wow. We made it. Okay, model. So the real island girl. Okay, see you soon. No, let them have their sibling experience. I wanted to go on the truck. Guys, we're here. Rarotonga. We just arrived. We just got laid. Oh, that's right. Sorry. Aid. Okay, we just got aid. So now we're just walking to pick up my car.
Is it already reserved?
Yeah. So the thing here in the Cook Islands, they don't lock their cars, so we just go in.
And wish for the best.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that limit.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
That's all right. You go.
Thank you.
Is this the float parade from Brisbane? The float parade from Brisbane?
Watch my flight parade, guys. Make sure I didn't fall off.
Yeah, you hold on to it. Oh wow, that's giving. Spacious.
Yeah.
Gosh. Go say hi to your
Go
cousins.
say hi to my cousins.
Aww, it's like a little reunion. Hello. Sorry. Look.
Hello.
Sorry. Hello.
Batman.
Charity.
excited? Hey.
Yeah, my dad's over his head. Sorry. Bring it down.
He's excited. He's
Yeah, he's
excited. Yeah. There's so much to do here. Like you literally, this one road, you can just turn off anywhere
Yeah.
and be like, oh yep, I'm gonna do this today. Like look at that beach bungalow. Oh, there's something going on.
And then on the right is
Oh, so this is a community cemetery.
yeah. So that's where all my most of my family live.
Oh yeah. How long since we started planning for this? Like, what? It was a spontaneous thing as well between me and you. Vision board activity together.
To travel. But I didn't honestly think everyone was gonna like buy the trip to go. Because I was genuinely surprised, like the fact that this came to fruition.
Yeah.
Like, I was genuinely like, what?
Well, at least you know when someone wants something, we're gonna do it.
I should know better that charity, when charity speaks, it will just come to life. We've arrived to our accommodation now.
Come with us. Let's go and have a tour of our villa. Wow. Do we have?
That's for let's
That's mine. Now we're gonna get ready. Kakite, akone. Hi everyone! Oh my gosh, we're finally here in the Cook Islands. Hello. No one? Just my feet. Hi. Oh, thanks, Hannah. Yum. Sorry, and me too, please. Thank you. Oh, good place to be though. Yeah.
do what you do best, Charlie.
Hi, elders. Hello. Where are you guys from?
I'm from America.
Yeah, and your companion?
From the Philippines.
Ah.
Oh, really?
Oh, nice.
We go to Arunachal.
That one.
Where will we going?
This is what we're having our first night in. We're having island barbecue with mushroom sauce, all the onion.
Just amazing.
Wow.
Well-polished shows from the plethora of groups tonight. Thank you to all of them. And we will look forward for the next half of our program. Enjoy your short break and we will come back with the Hekamarangi Kapahaka from New Zealand, Philippines community, the Philippines community, Fiji community, Indonesia community,
It was so good.
the area,
Oh, it's so good.
Hawaii from Hawaii.
Representation matters, guys.
Yeah. So when I live in Rarotonga, I'll redo this. I just finished watching our international night. It was pretty good. Okay, guys, we just finished the international night. What was your favorite? What was your favorite?
It was a moldy one.
Yeah, I loved it. Yeah. Guys, we weren't allowed to record inside. Otherwise, we would have got beaten up by those aunties that was walking around.
See her walk up the stairs.
Bro, every time she walked up, I had to hide my thing. Oh, hey sis! Hi! Good job! We saw words. We're like, oh my gosh!
Thank you.
Amazing job! We're so proud. You were the one in the middle. Hey.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it.
Aw, thank you. Yeah, you did amazing. You too. Bye.
Sorry about my hips.
The hips don't lie.
Oh, the night is still young. But we are old. We are very old.
Just like 5 minutes ago, she was half asleep. She was in the auditorium sleeping. Oh, sorry. No, she came alive after the kapahaka.
Yeah, man.
Bro, they
Woke
were
me up.
beautiful.
Those are shivers down the spine.
I was so close to be a rebel and record, but that
know.
auntie, that
that lady.
she was
so
scary.
I was
Meitaki.
Meitaki. Bro, she was like, she was watching it. I was so tempted to pull out my phone, but she just like, every time she looked, I had to like, she kept rotating her face. And I was like,
Man, I want to know how much they're paying her because
So funny.
But do you know what the funny part was? Is that she did not care about how loud she was. Like, she just stands from down the bottom, but she's talking to someone at the third row. Excuse me?
Guys, we are getting late night snacks for us to take back home. Yeah, big day, big day. Oh, did we get the coils? Coils 10. Oh, nice. I got them. Thank you.
oh.
I bet she regrets getting yours.
What happens? You buy it for the aesthetic.
First bite, besties.
Ready, go.
Ready, go. Big Ben, mince and cheese. First bite, besties.
Oye, pasira ya. Y camarita y vete.